Once upon a time, 20 plus years ago, a newlywed couple saved up change and exchanged it for cash. Extra spending money is sometimes hard to come by for a newly married couple. The coins clinked and the machine counted. I'm pretty sure they were both holding their breath, anxious to see how much money they had saved. After what felt like an eternity, 8 pristine $20 bills emerged from the depths of the machine. The husband gave $80 to the wife and put the remaining $80 in his wallet. They had agreed to split the money and splurge on something they each wanted. This is the story of how Maurice and Gaston came to be the prominent artwork displayed in the couple's kitchen. Maurice and Gaston, faded by time, held a special place in the heart of the wife in this story. Yes, I am the wife in this fairy tale, and Maurice and Gaston have smiled at me for 21 years, and from 2 different kitchens. What makes them so special, you might be wondering? Well, I took my $80 and walked into a store the next week. In the back of the store, Maurice and Gaston immediately caught my eye. They were haphazardly propped up against a wall. I loved everything about them. The way they were posed in the print, the boldness of the colors, and the way they seemed so welcoming with their waiter-style attire. There was only one problem. They seemed to belong together, but they were sold separately. They were on clearance, but with tax, each picture would cost exactly $80. I could only choose one. I felt a knot in my throat as I pondered which one to select. Finally, I settled on Maurice, and felt like I was abandoning Gaston as I exited the store, taking one final look. That evening, I shared with my husband about the 2 stray art pieces and how I had so much trouble deciding which one to buy. The next day, he arrived home from work with Gaston tucked under his arm. He used his $80 to buy the other picture. Gaston and Maurice were together again, and my heart was full. You see, Maurice and Gaston are more than Italian-style prints and cheap frames. Maurice and Gaston belong together, just like my husband and I do. One seems lost without the other. My husband used his splurge money to make me happy. However, Maurice and Gaston are worn and faded. So today, I am replacing them. I am all for decluttering, but in this case, Maurice and Gaston will stay together in the attic, because like my husband and I, they deserve to live happily ever after. I just want to say thank you for watching today's 10 Minutes Better, hosted by my dear friend Melinda. I will link her channel in the playlist in my description box below. Remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today, and even enjoy a fairy tale or two. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.